not a great big one, but it'll keep. Pulling. Thank you very much.
Good.
Number one, final day. Sounded good when it went through my head. Got it. It is the key. And that's exactly what happened. It's one of them good ones too. Well, not totally, but it's a keeper.
Yeah, chunky.
Chunky monkey. That's exactly what they were, bud.
There we go.
Thank you. Good job on the net. And number two, that's faux. And the wakes are still going. Good one. Good one coming up. Oh, mama. This is a 5. We need this one, buddy. This might be the deal breaker right here. Coming up. Don't bulldog like that. Do not come off of there. Big mama. It's a big fish. Right there, here comes your chance. Yes! Bam! Woo!
There's a toad.
That's a big fish of the day right there. Of course, it doesn't matter today, does it? That fish is almost 6.